I have talked to customer service and they are replacing my air fryer toaster oven.
What's the brand and model of your toaster oven? How old is it?
They gave me an address to send a picture to Conair, but it won't go through. Can you give me that address /
How long has this been going on with your Conair toaster oven? What have you tried so far?
The third knob will not go back to toast. They have already told me they will have to replace it, but the address they gave me to send to Conair either isn't right or I copied it down wrong. I just need the right address.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The address they gave me was cordreturn.conair.com.
Hello, this is Brandon, an appliance expert with JustAnswer.com. I want to let you know this chat is for a third-party technical help site. We mainly provide technical help to people doing DIY repair, and are not affiliated with any manufacturer or repair service. If you have technical questions, I can answer them, but it sounds like you are trying to contact a different company. I apologize for any confusion. That being said, if I had to guess from what you're saying, the email address might be @ you may have misheard the @ as a dot. I sent a test email and it hasn't been returned, so it is at least an address that exists.
I knew that address didn't look right. Thank you, I will try this one. Meanwhile, just cancel this after my 5.00 is paid. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.